The allure of the open sea, the gentle rocking of a luxurious yacht, a symphony of sun, sky and water. This is the essence of luxury yachting, a world where elegance and adventure intertwine. Imagine yourself aboard a magnificent vessel, the epitome of comfort and style. The sun dips below the horizon, painting the sky in hues of gold and crimson. A gentle breeze whispers through the sails. This is a journey beyond the ordinary, an escape to a realm of unparalleled beauty and indulgence. The world unfolds before you, a tapestry of captivating destinations, each more alluring than the last. From the azure waters of the Mediterranean to the tropical paradise of the Caribbean, from the South Pacific's secluded lagoons to hidden gems scattered across the globe, a world of discovery awaits. The Mediterranean Sea, a cradle of civilization, beckons with its timeless allure. Picture yourself cruising along the French Riviera, the epitome of glamour and sophistication. Stroll along the sun-drenched promenades of Cannes. Rub shoulders with the jet set in Monaco. Indulge in the region's culinary delights, savoring fresh seafood and exquisite wines against a backdrop of breathtaking coastal views. Greece, with its ancient ruins and idyllic islands, offers a journey through history and mythology. Sail through the Aegean Sea, where each island holds a promise of adventure. Explore the whitewashed villages of Santorini. Discover hidden coves accessible only by sea. Dive into crystal-clear waters teeming with marine life. Croatia's Dalmatian coast, a tapestry of islands and mainland, unveils a world of unspoiled beauty. Discover secluded coves and charming fishing villages. Explore the ancient city walls of Dubrovnik. Lose yourself in the vibrant nightlife of Hvar. Escape to the Caribbean, a paradise of turquoise waters, swaying palm trees and vibrant cultures. The British Virgin Islands, a haven for sailors, offer a tranquil escape. Explore secluded anchorages, perfect for snorkeling and diving amidst colorful coral reefs. The Bahamas, with their legendary pink sand beaches and vibrant marine life, beckon with their unique charm. Swim alongside gentle nurse sharks. Encounter playful dolphins. Discover hidden coves, perfect for a secluded escape. St. Bart's, a jewel of the Caribbean, exudes French sophistication and island charm. Indulge in world-class shopping and dining. Relax on pristine beaches, caressed by gentle breezes. Anguilla, a haven of tranquility, offers pristine beaches and a relaxed atmosphere. Unwind in luxurious resorts. Savor the island's renowned cuisine, a fusion of Caribbean flavors and international influences. Section 4. South Pacific Paradises. Venture to the South Pacific, where emerald lagoons meet volcanic peaks, and ancient cultures blend with modern luxury. French Polynesia, a scattering of islands in a vast ocean, is the epitome of paradise. Explore the underwater world of Bora Bora, a kaleidoscope of coral reefs and marine life. Fiji, known for its friendly locals and stunning natural beauty, offers a warm welcome. Dive into the vibrant reefs of the Yasawa Islands. Explore traditional villages, where time seems to stand still. Relax on pristine beaches, lapped by gentle waves. The Whitsunday Islands, a cluster of islands off the coast of Queensland, Australia, offer a world of natural wonders. Sail through the heart of the Great Barrier Reef. Explore secluded beaches, perfect for swimming and sunbathing. Discover hidden coves, teeming with marine life. Section 5. Other Jewels of the Sea. Beyond these renowned destinations, a world of hidden gems awaits the discerning traveler. Costa Smeralda in Sardinia, Italy, offers a blend of rugged beauty and Italian chic. Dubai, a city of superlatives, boasts stunning architecture, luxurious resorts, and vibrant nightlife. The Maldives, a string of atolls in the Indian Ocean, offer a paradise of secluded beaches and luxurious overwater bungalows. Dive into crystal-clear waters, home to a kaleidoscope of marine life. Indulge in rejuvenating spa treatments. The U.S. Virgin Islands, a trio of islands in the Caribbean Sea, offer a blend of natural beauty and cultural heritage. Explore the historic streets of Charlotte Amalie. Relax on pristine beaches. Dive into the vibrant underwater world. Section 6. Embark on your voyage. Luxury yachting is more than just a vacation. It's an experience, a journey tailored to your desires. Island hop at your leisure, discovering secluded coves and vibrant port towns. Dive into crystal-clear waters, teeming with marine life. Indulge in world-class dining, prepared by private chefs. Relax on spacious decks, caressed by gentle breezes. This is a world of personalized service and exclusive experiences. Imagine celebrating a special occasion with a private party under the stars. Picture yourself exploring hidden coves, accessible only by yacht. Envision yourself unwinding in luxurious surroundings, pampered by an attentive crew. The world awaits. Embark on your voyage of discovery.